In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Exodus crypto wallet review, highlighting its features, pros, and cons explained for the year 2025. If you're on the lookout for an intuitive and versatile crypto wallet, Exodus might just be the perfect fit for you. It's known as a non-custodial wallet, meaning you're in charge of your own private keys, effectively giving you complete control over your funds. With support for hundreds of cryptocurrencies, not only is it celebrated for its ease of use, but it also incorporates built-in swaps, staking, and detailed portfolio tracking. Let's dive into some of the key features that make Exodus stand out. To begin with, it supports over 300 coins and tokens, offering you a broad range of options for your crypto needs. The wallet boasts a beautiful and beginner-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice if you're just starting. A distinct advantage is the built-in exchange and staking options, facilities that allow for seamless crypto transactions directly within the app. What's more, Exodus runs on various platforms supporting Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android, ensuring accessibility across all your devices. For those who prioritize security, it can connect to the Trezor hardware wallet, adding an extra layer of protection. Moving on to the benefits of using Exodus, the pros are numerous. Its user-friendly nature is fantastic for newcomers to the crypto space. With multi-asset support in a single application, it simplifies managing various cryptocurrencies. Moreover, the ability to swap and stake crypto directly within the wallet enhances its convenience significantly. Additionally, there's optional hardware wallet integration, providing extra security should you choose it. An essential feature worth mentioning is that no account is required as you maintain ownership of your keys, emphasizing the wallet's non-custodial model. However, it's equally important to consider some of the downsides. As a hot wallet, Exodus inherently possesses less security compared to offline hardware wallets, which may be a concern if you're handling significant amounts. Some users might find that the swap fees or spreads exceed those of major exchanges. Another limitation is that Exodus is not fully open source. Enthusiasts chasing advanced security measures might be disappointed due to the lack of built-in two-factor authentication. Who is Exodus best for? Generally, it suits beginners and everyday crypto users who seek convenience with features like staking and swaps all in one place. It's ideal for users with small to medium crypto holdings. That said, if you're planning to store very large amounts long term, you might want to opt for a dedicated hardware wallet instead. In essence, Exodus is an outstanding wallet option for beginners in 2025 thanks to its simplicity, attractive design, and abundant features. If you decide to go with Exodus, remember to securely back up your 12-word seed phrase and consider incorporating a hardware wallet for managing larger investments safely.